Hey there, welcome to HuntingAlice. Let's hunt some leads today. Here's how. First, open huntingalice.com and go to your workspace. This is where you can start prospecting and manage your lead hunting workflow. Inside HuntingAlice, you have two main ways to find leads: Agentic and Vibe prospecting. Let's quickly look at both. Agentic is lead hunting with an AI agent. You configure an agent for a specific ICP, then deploy it whenever you want to run repeatable prospecting for that target segment. Vibe prospecting is lead hunting inside chat. You simply tell aiAlice who you want to find, and it thinks through your brief, narrows the search scope, and brings back leads directly in the chat. Let's start with the faster way, Vibe prospecting. Just type who you want to find in the chat, like you're briefing a sales researcher. For this demo, I'll include the job title, location, and the buying signals I care about. Once the prompt is ready, click Vibe Prospecting. Now aiAlice starts working. First, it reads your brief and thinks through the search plan. Next, it shapes the ICP and understands the intent signals that make someone a strong match. Then, it checks public sources, looks for relevant people with LinkedIn profiles, filters out weak matches, and returns matching leads directly in the chat. This is the part that usually takes a lot of time when you do prospecting manually. Here, aiAlice handles the research work for you. When the search is done, you'll see the leads directly in the chat. You can scroll through the chat to review all the leads, including their names, titles, scores, and detailed profiles. Let's open one lead. At the top, you'll see the basic profile: name, role, company, location, and industry category. You'll also see an intent score, which helps you quickly understand how strong the match is, so you know who to contact first. Next is signal context. This explains why aiAlice found this person and how they match your search brief. You can also open their LinkedIn profile directly from here to review the lead and start the conversation. If you scroll down, you'll see a deeper AI analysis. Primary needs shows what aiAlice understood from your prompt. Why this match explains the key reasons aiAlice believes this lead is relevant. You can quickly see whether the person matches the role you asked for, whether the company context makes sense, and whether there is enough public profile data to support the match. The last section is Score Breakdown. This gives you a more transparent view of how the lead was scored. For example, aiAlice may score the lead based on LinkedIn profile strength, role fit, profile quality, data freshness, and whether the profile type matches your intent. Together, these details give you better context for outreach. So instead of sending a generic message with a name placeholder, you can understand why this lead matters, what angle to use, and how to make your message more relevant. Now, let's look at Agentic Mode. Click Agent Workspace, then choose Hunter Agent. This is where you configure an AI agent to hunt leads for you. You can start with simple mode by typing a prompt. If you need inspiration, use the sample prompts as a starting point. For more control, switch to Pro Mode. Here, you can define your ICP, target industry, location, buying signals, knowledge base, and extra instructions. The more specific your setup is, the better aiAlice can understand who to find and who to skip. Once you're ready, deploy the agent. After deployment, the agent will appear in your workspace. Each agent can represent one ICP, one target segment, or one repeatable prospecting workflow. Click Start Hunting to begin. aiAlice will scan the open web, professional networks, company pages, and community conversations to find buying signals. Then, it scores each lead by fit, quality, and freshness. Finally, the leads appear in your customer lead board with profiles, intent scores, signal context, and direct links to LinkedIn, so you can spend less time verifying leads and more time starting conversations. Okay, that's the basic workflow of HuntingAlice. Now you're ready to hunt better leads with aiAlice. See you soon!